4 things you should remove from your LinkedIn profile if you want to get clients. In particular, if you want to get clients from LinkedIn. You see, LinkedIn is a professional network, and when you show up in a professional capacity, people are going to respond very well to that. So showing up on LinkedIn is a little bit different than showing up on Instagram or on Facebook. We want to show up on LinkedIn and we want to be in the professional mood so that people see you as the expert and as the authority. You build that trust and ultimately start to get a lot more clients. And that's really, really important. So show up on LinkedIn professionally. And if you want to show up on LinkedIn professionally, there are some things that it would be a good idea to get out of your LinkedIn profile. And the first thing is an outdated profile picture. Look, if you put a profile picture that's you 10 years ago because you think you look younger, get that out of there. Get a picture of you today. It doesn't matter. Show who you are today. The reason, and I hear this from a lot of the successful people that I work with, is they get on these calls with people that they met through LinkedIn, and it doesn't look like the person that was in the profile picture. It looks completely different. They're 10, 20 years older than that profile picture. Look, you probably looked really great when you were younger. You probably look really great right now. It doesn't matter. Show up authentically, and that's going to say a lot about you. So, number 1 thing, an outdated profile picture. Get rid of that thing. The second thing that I want you to remove from LinkedIn is anything that might offend based on an opinion that you have. Yes, you are free to have an opinion, and you are also free to express that opinion. But when that opinion could potentially offend someone, it's going to drive away your perfect prospects. So, if you're more interested in your freedom to express your opinion, go to town. Feel free and be my guest. But if you're interested in getting business and attracting clients and making money, it's time to save that opinion for a different platform. Go somewhere else and post that opinion because you cannot put opinions in the bank. And I hope that makes a lot of sense to you. The third thing that I want to share with you is to stop showing off. People surprisingly don't care as much about you as you wish they would. That might be a hard message for you to hear, but they don't care about the gigantic dinner that you ate. They don't care about the boat that you're cruising around on, the vacation that you took. They don't care about the car that you drive or the gigantic house that you live in or whatever it is that you're trying to show off. You're only doing that for yourself. And you're doing that to get a dopamine hit in your brain for all the people, the vapid people that are liking that when you're posting that kind of stuff. Your perfect prospects don't care about that at all. Your perfect prospects care about what you can do for them. So stop showing off your lifestyle and your stuff and start focusing on the transformation that they're looking for and focus on the results that you can give them. Show that kind of stuff off and watch what happens to your business. I know that might be hard to hear and I know that might offend some of you, but I can't apologize for it. Because nobody cares. I know people don't care about me and my stuff. I know that they only care about the results I can get them, which is getting more clients into their business. And by the way, if you're interested in getting more clients into your business, I put this link right here. It's a free on-demand workshop that's going to teach you how to do exactly that. It's going to show you case studies and examples of how you can get more clients into your business. You just go to that page and the workshop starts right away. It's free. It's on demand. I made it for you. So please go to proutyclass.com, please, because I made this workshop to help you grow your business. It's a really cool workshop. I think you're going to have a lot of fun in that training. And then another thing that you should remove from your LinkedIn profile, this is number 4. The fourth thing that you should remove from your LinkedIn profile is the super personal stuff. There's no place for that on LinkedIn. Save that for the other platforms. Go show off your personal stuff on Instagram or Facebook. People on LinkedIn are not interested in your marriage, your divorce, your kids. They're not interested in your hobbies. They're just not interested in that stuff. It's a professional platform. Let's show up professionally and let's talk about the results we give people. Your marriage or your hobbies, unless your hobby is something that you teach people how to do, Your marriage or your hobbies aren't interesting to people. So get it off there and let's use that space to talk about the transformations. Hard lessons today, guys, but you've got to pay attention to this stuff if you truly want to grow. The successful people that I work with tell me all the time, once they made those changes, it opened everything up for them. And I'm sharing it with you today so that you can go do this right now. And while everything I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing that you need, which is why I'm going to put a link to another video right here, for you to check out right now, that's going to help you get more clients into your business. And if you click on my face right here, you can subscribe to my channel and get alerts every time I create content like this. One day I'll get my left and right. Right, it's not today.